Hello, in this video I'm going to share what are your favorite tools to provide video or audio feedback on student assignments. And I'm going to say one of the easiest tools that I've used has been Kami, and I used this all the time when I was teaching a purely online section of AP Calculus before this crazy year. And so this is what I've used for a while. And if you have a premium Kami, so the actual paid account, then you have a lot more features. So let me show you what I mean. In this instance, I'm going to keep it as simple as possible. I'm going to say that you have students turn in a PDF of their document. That's it, into Google Drive or your LMS, however you have it set up. So I have a folder where everybody has submitted their work. I'm going to just select one scanned piece of work. So here would be an example of something with a lot of things marked up, but you can see that I have a lot of different options. I can use the markup tool, so I just use the drawing here. You can change the pen size, the transparency of the pen, that's why it's a little bit more see-through there. So if I just make it maximum and let's say 2-point thickness, I'll choose blue this time, then you can see what that looks like, and I can draw anywhere. I could write on the page to mark up the student work directly. So I have a Wacom tablet, and that's what I use to write on student work. Makes it very easy for me. If a student did something wrong, I can actually embed a screencast directly right into their work, and I could make a correction, which is really nice. So let me show you how that works. It's a commenting tool. So this is one of the paid features. It's screen capture right here. And then if I click anywhere, so say I want to correct it right here, and then I can share my entire screen, or I'm just going to share this one window. So now, as you can see, it's recording as I'm talking, and I could be drawing and making a correction just like that. And then I can click this to pause the recording if I need to, and then I can resume. And then when I'm done, I just press the done button. And boom, that inserts a very personalized little video for the student to watch to see my correction. This one window, so you can see how that works beautifully. As well here, I just have an audio comment, so you can do the same thing. Go to comments if you don't want to make a big screencast, but you just want to do a little voice comment. Click here. Hi, you did a nice job on this problem overall, but I think you made a little mistake right in step 2. So that's a nice way to just give a little bit of emotion, tone when you're grading. You know, feedback can be rather harsh sometimes. It's nice to be able to add an audio, so students would just play. You did a nice job on this problem overall, but that's it. If you make a mistake on any of these, you can obviously delete the comments. Then you can add just a text comment, so you can just type like that. And you can also write directly on their work, just like this, by using the text tool. You can, of course, resize this. If you're a math teacher like I am, then you actually have an equation editor right here. So that's really nice. Let me just show you how nicely it works. Just like that. I honestly usually just use the drawing tool, and I use my Wacom tablet. I find that faster and easier and nicer than typing, but whatever you prefer. As you can see, there are a lot of different options in Kami, and so that's how I like to give my feedback. The commenting tool is great because it has text, voice, video, and screen capture. Video means a webcam, and screen capture is me making like a little screencast. Note that all these voice, video, and screen capture, these are paid features. The text comment is free. The text box is free. However, things like the equation editor are a paid feature. This equation is also paid. And then the drawing is absolutely free. So if you just have a tablet, like I was saying, then you can mark up their work. And then if you have an LMS that integrates with Kami, you can return student work directly with a button, or if you don't, then you can just share the document and give students a link. And you would first want to make it anyone with the link as editor, so that students would be able to collaborate with you further on this document. If they have any additional questions, they could just reply to your comment or leave a comment, and then it would trigger a notification to you. So anyway, that is my recommendation for feedback with a lot of different rich tools in it. Kami. All right, bye for now.